आईपी मैट, ये तो कभी सुना ही नहीं, ये तो सिर्फ मैथ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है. Is this even credible? What's the point of even going after and studying for this competitive exam? It's very easy, anyone can crack it. Well, these are some of the myths that are associated with IP MAT, and in this video, we will be clearing each and every myth. तो चलिए start करते हैं. सबसे पहला myth है that IP MAT is only for science students. Well, the fact being, IP MAT extreme neutral exam है. यानी कि if you are from science, if you are from commerce, आप आर्ट्स से हैं, anyone can prepare for IP MAT. There is no requirement that you must belong from science or from commerce or from arts. It's a stream neutral exam. Now the second myth is that you must be a math student. Well, no, it's clearly not required. While maths is a very important part of IP MAT, which in nowadays math is important for every competitive exam, but even if you don't have maths, it's all right. अगर 10th तक maths करी है तो अब भी आप कर लोगे. What you have learned in 10th is sufficient. Now what you have to keep in mind is the fact that you have to practice a lot more than other students in order to get back on track. So no, maths is not a prerequisite for IP MAT. Now another myth associated which is almost similar is that you must have exceptional math skills. Just before this, I have cleared the point that while maths is required, it is not compulsory that you must be a math student. Even if you have normal math skills, you can still enhance it with practice, tricks, tips that is provided by your guides and mentors. So no, you do not require exceptional math skills. Now, another myth is that IP MAT is only for IIM Indore. Many of them still don't know that 5 IIMs conduct IP MAT. 5 IIMs have this IPM course available. Now to begin with, IIM Indore is definitely the first one to offer this program, but there is IIM Ranchi, IIM Rohtak, then Jammu and Bodh Gaya conduct their own exam, that is ZIPMAT, a common entrance test in order to get into these two universities. Now, another myth is that IP MAT is an easy entrance exam that anyone can crack it. Well, in reality, you cannot, because since we just addressed that there are only 5 IIMs who offer this IPM course, definitely the number of seats is less and the number of applicants are more. So, it is a good fight that you have to go after. Now, the final myth is that IP MAT की credibility ही क्या है? Well, it is often associated and compared with traditional exams like that of CAT. But what they miss on to is that this is a direct entry you can get after your 12th into IIM. And that too after giving IP MAT and a curriculum which is holistic in its approach. So yes, if you are someone who is made for management and from day one it is clear that management is your calling, then definitely IP MAT exam is for you. Now these were some of the myths that I have addressed. ऐसा कौन सा मिथ है जो आपने सुना है? Do let me know in the comment section.